In this video, I will show you how to deposit Solana on Phantom Wallet. So to do this, first just go and open up Phantom Wallet on your phone or desktop and click on Receive from the home screen. Here, simply going to select Solana and then click on the wallet address at the bottom right above the share button so that you will copy it. Now, depositing Solana on Phantom Wallet should be done on the Solana network, so that's good to remember. Now, I'm going to be using crypto.com as my wallet that I'm depositing from, but it can really be any wallet, so whether it's Bybit or your Trust wallet or just any other exchange or wallet, simply open up the place you are depositing the Solana from. So again, I will be using crypto.com, and no matter which exchange you use, usually you will need to go to your assets, or in this case accounts, and then go to your crypto, and then just click transfer, and then select withdraw, and then just select an external wallet, and then click plus in the top right, and this is specifically for crypto.com, but just go to the wallet address section, and then for the cryptocurrency, just select Solana. And then here you will need to paste in the wallet address, which we just copied on Phantom Wallet. And for the network, at the top you can see they have Sol and Kronos. Now when depositing to Phantom Wallet, you want to select Sol or Solana. Then here you can give the wallet a name. Now this differs per exchange. And then just click continue. Then in this case, I need to enter my passcode. And then you can choose how much you want to withdraw or transfer over to your Phantom Wallet. And then in this case, just click withdraw and click confirm. And then often you will need to verify that it's you. So I'll just do that right now. And then it will say that you have withdrawn the Solana. So then after doing that, you can just go and open up Phantom Wallet. And then in your Phantom Wallet, you can see for me it showed up pretty quickly, but it can take a couple of minutes, and I've now successfully deposited Solana onto my Phantom Wallet. So now you know how to deposit Solana on Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.